Are you tired of manually juggling LinkedIn tasks and feeling like you're constantly playing catch-up? In this video, we'll show you how to automate Zapier with LinkedIn, freeing up your time and supercharging your professional networking. First, head over to Zapier and click Create Zap. This is where the magic happens. Now, set up your trigger search for LinkedIn and select it. Choose your trigger event, such as new activity. This means every time something happens on LinkedIn that you select, it starts the Zap. Next, connect your LinkedIn account. Follow the prompts to grant Zapier the necessary permissions. Alright, on to the action. This is what will happen automatically after the trigger. Let's say you want to add new connections to a Google Sheet. Search for Google Sheets and select the Create Spreadsheet row action. Connect your Google Sheets account and choose the spreadsheet where you want the data to go. Now, map the LinkedIn data fields, like name and company, to the corresponding columns in your spreadsheet. Once you're done mapping, test your Zap to make sure everything is working correctly. Then, give your Zap a descriptive name and turn it on. And that's it. Now, every time you have new activity on LinkedIn, Zapier will automatically add that information to your Google Sheet, saving you time and effort. Start automating your LinkedIn tasks today and unlock a whole new level of productivity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation tips. #LinkedIn Automation, #Business Networking.